Up YouTube? Welcome back to another video with Fishing with Tito. Today we're gonna be out here brim fishing. I think I found the spot of where they at. So let's get out here. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff to the channel. I can't bring you guys too far up on the where I'm fishing at because you will be right up on my back. But as you can see, I got one in the bucket already. Already Freddy. Got my Himadors. Got it. I've been out here fishing for a while. Just hadn't been recording. Been out here just talking. Been out here talking. But let's get back to it, you guys. Bring y'all some of this good action. Now there's a tree log that's laying right across here, you guys. Let me kind of get you guys so y'all can see. You see that tree log sticking up right there? That's where they're hanging out here. That's where all the blue gills and the sharecropper is hanging out here. Like I said, I already got I don't know, about 30 or 40 of them inside of the bucket, inside of my little cooler. There you go again. Oh, I missed that one. I gotta bring my weed eater back over here and come back over here and bring my weed eater over here and do a little lake maintenance. Look at all that grass growed up. So much grass and heights. So I'm gonna get it taken care of. I'm gonna get it taken care of, you guys. Sorry about the noise in the background. There is somebody over there that's cutting his grass. Got another one. I got another one in the video. And thanks for all the good names y'all leaving in the comments about my sharecropper. What should I name it? Like I said, we're gonna have a little bit of fun. Make sure you go like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you go check out my wife's YouTube channel. It's Fishing with Keidra. Make sure you go check that out. Oh, just got a good hit off of it. Wasn't even I just felt the tug on the line. Today's bait of choice, I'm fishing with red worms if you want to know. Get the bite, get the bite. It feels good out here, you guys. It's not hot and it's cool. The wind is blowing it because the trees are right here. It's nice out here today. So I've been out here ever since like 6:30. I was out here with my mother-in-law. We was doing a little fishing, but she had to take off. Now my wife is out here, but she over there fishing on her own. They're trying to clean me. They're trying to clean me. They're trying to clean me a little bit. He's taking it, but he ain't getting it off of there. I want him to take it down one time so I can set that hook on it. Let me see. Oh yeah, he cleaned me. Let's get back out there. We gonna get him. Since he wanna rob me for my groceries, we gonna get him. I see somebody lost their whole rod in the water. I guess the catfish or something can't pull it in the water because I see the end of it right here. I might try to rescue it, get that rod up out of there. The lake has receded a little bit, so oh there you go. Hey, he took it down but missed. He took it down, but he missed. He took it down, but I missed. Turn my head because it got stuck on the log. Let me fix this back, you guys, and I'll be right back. Give me just 1 minute. Hey, you guys, I'm back. Had to stop. I lost my cork, not my cork. I lost my weight and my hook, so I had to fix all that back. Got him. Got him. Got him, you guys. If you love fishing, if you love fishing like I do, you guys, invest in you some of these right here. These are good. Invest in you some of them. Like I said, I love fishing, so one of my buddies gave me those right there. You can get them from Harbor Freight too. I know a couple of people asked me why in a couple of my past videos they asked me where I had got them from. I got those from my buddies, but he told me you can find them in Harbor Freight. They got them cheap. They be the cheapest ones to get them. I had another one. He slipped on me. I had another one. That's it. He gonna come back to it. We gonna get it. We gonna get it. With you guys' help, liking and sharing my videos, I know I can at least get to 2,000 by the end of this year. 2,000 subscribers. We almost there. We got. I think I'm at 786. He tried to get me again. Yeah, but with you guys' help, I know I can get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year. That's what I'm pushing for. So if y'all don't mind liking, share, comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so when I drop another video, you guys will be notified. Got me another one, but he a little small, so we're gonna toss him back. He's a little small. I told you. I told you we gonna catch him today, you guys. I told you. We're gonna catch him. He thought he could come up there and rob me and take off with my groceries. That's what he thought he could do. Come up there and take off with my groceries. But that ain't gonna happen. I ain't gonna let that happen. Gotta get those humidors because it's down in him pretty good. Got it. Got him. Oh man, I wasn't trying to do that. Dang, I'm about to lose my weighted hook again. He had it, but he took it. Oh, I didn't lose it. I did not lose it. I thought I was gonna lose it. Just gotta bend my hook back in. I thought I had lost it, but I didn't. And see, sometimes those bass will come sit right here too, and you can't catch them right here. So they right here. They right here. I guess in packs and numbers. That's why I'm gonna bring my weed eater over here, and I want to cut this grass back, some weeds, because they sit. You can't hardly get to the lake. You have to snatch it back. You know, as soon as you catch one of them, you have to snatch it back. Got it. He's a small one, so we're gonna toss him back. And see what I try to do is I try to let them run back out with my cork from the log from the tree. That way I can snatch back on him and reel him in. So he's a little too small. We're gonna throw him back. Sorry for the noise in the background, you guys. They over there cutting yards over there, and then we got the dogs barking in the background. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. I'm in the process of ordering me a chest mount for my camera, so that way you guys can get the live action up front. Got a little bike, playing with it right now. He took it back over there to that log again. Took it back to the log, you guys. Thought I had got hooked in the butt, but I got this right there. Made a mess here. We'll get it untangled. Let me take it a loose right here. Do something right here. See what's going on here. Okay, got that from untangled. You see what I'm saying about when you fish around a log? Let's get that. We got that. Now we got to get this untangled right here. Now that's what I was saying when you fishing around a log. This the kind of stuff that happens. I know y'all ready for that action, you guys, but I had a big tangle up right here, so yeah, they finna go in the water. They finna go in the water. They might be finna have lunch on the water. Now that we got that situated out, you guys, we can get back out here. Don't know if it's supposed to rain or not. Let's get back out there. I'm waiting on it. My wife said, "You got it, you got it." I'm waiting on it. I want to set that hook in him. He want to run with it, but he don't want to. He don't want to commit to it. I'm gonna have to leave this log alone over here, cause I'm steady getting hung over there. I'm trying to catch you guys one more fish in this video. trying to get you guys another fish in the video. We're gonna get you one. Hold on. I'm gonna get you another one. Hold on 1 minute. Let me get you back out there. Let's get you one more fish in the video. Can we do it? Oh, 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 oh. Got you a shell cracker, baby. Got you at the perfect time. And when I said I was going to get you guys another one in the video, got you a shell cracker. What is that, you guys? A shell cracker. A shell cracker. A shell cracker. Look at that. Pretty shell cracker. Oh, you know he got to go in the bucket. And you know what I did, you guys? What I did was I took the cork and I went up a little bit. I went a little deeper. So maybe about a foot and a half deep. Went a little deeper in there to get them. Let's try to get you one more. See if I can get you one more. Let's try to get you guys one more fish, and we're gonna call this a video because there was fish in the video. You weren't gonna get it that time, buddy. Whoa! I was about to hit that reel down there. You see what I'm saying? And I got him. I got you guys another freedom in the video. Hey, but we're gonna throw this one back. He ain't big enough. Now we'll let him grow some more. But if he come back and bite again, we'll keep him. I'm gonna show you something, y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna show you something. Now y'all watch that. I want to show y'all something real quick. Look, 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 look. What is that? Ooh wee! I told you I had something in the video. I told y'all I had some fish already in that thing where I was fishing. I just didn't feel like recording. So you guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. I want to appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching my videos, liking, sharing, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching Fishing with Tito.